Today, we're taking you inside a modern food production facility to reveal how KFC's world-famous fried chicken is made. From raw ingredients to the crispy, golden chicken served in restaurants, every step is carefully controlled to ensure taste, safety, and consistency. This process combines skilled workers, advanced machinery, and strict hygiene standards to deliver the same iconic flavor people love around the world. The journey begins at the receiving area, where fresh chicken arrives in refrigerated trucks. Temperature control is critical at this stage to maintain freshness and quality. Inspectors carefully examine each batch under bright inspection lights, checking size, texture, and overall condition. Only chicken that meets strict quality standards is approved to move forward in the process. Once approved, the chicken is transferred onto stainless steel conveyor belts inside a spotless, food-grade environment. The chicken is thoroughly washed using purified water systems designed to remove any remaining impurities. This step ensures the meat is clean while preserving its natural texture and moisture. Next comes one of the most important stages, seasoning. KFC's signature blend of herbs and spices is prepared in precise proportions. While the exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, the mixing process is carefully monitored by digital control systems. Large industrial tumblers gently rotate the chicken, allowing the seasoning to coat every surface evenly. This step is essential for creating the bold flavor KFC is known for. After seasoning, the chicken moves into the coating phase. Here, each piece is passed through flour-based coating systems that create the foundation of KFC's signature crunch. Coating adheres perfectly to the seasoned surface, forming a textured layer that will later become golden and crispy during frying. This process is done with precision to ensure uniform coverage on every piece. The coated chicken is then transferred to industrial deep fryers. These fryers operate at carefully controlled temperatures and timings to achieve consistent results. As the chicken is lowered into the hot oil, the coating begins to crisp while the meat cooks evenly inside. Automated systems monitor oil temperature, cooking duration, and batch size to maintain quality across thousands of pieces every hour. As the chicken emerges from the fryer, it displays the familiar golden brown color and crispy texture. Excess oil is allowed to drain, ensuring the chicken remains crunchy without being greasy. At this stage, quality control teams closely monitor appearance, color, and texture to ensure each batch meets KFC's standards. Once approved, the fried chicken moves to the packaging area. Conveyor systems transport the finished product efficiently while robotic arms and trained workers place the chicken into KFC-branded boxes. This process is fast, accurate, and hygienic, ensuring the chicken stays fresh and protected during transport. Before leaving the facility, the packaged chicken undergoes a final inspection. Boxes are checked for correct labeling, sealing, and portioning. After passing inspection, cartons are stacked, palletized, and loaded onto delivery trucks. These trucks are temperature controlled to preserve quality during transportation to restaurants. Finally, the chicken begins its journey from the factory to KFC locations, where it will be served hot and fresh to customers. From strict quality checks to advanced cooking technology, every step in this process is designed to deliver the same great taste, every time. And that's how KFC fried chicken is made, from carefully selected raw chicken to the crispy, flavorful meal enjoyed by millions around the world.